lecture, I'm going to discuss what how to run Go program on Notepad++. So first you're going to open the command prompt, and if I write there Go, so you can see this all those things that means Go already installed. If you like to check the Go version, write there Go version. So here you can see Go version, this 1.22 to that already installed. So first you need to download and install the Go. After that, let's open their Notepad++. So they're going to first pasting the code inside the Notepad++. So this is the code to print the hello world using Go. So paste there, Control S to save, and you can save anywhere. Let's save on this desktop. So giving hello dot, for extension Go, we need to write there dot go. Paste there. After that, let's go on this plugin, and this place you need to search your plugin admins and write there npp execute. So you can see npp execute there. Let's click on this install. So here this is now downloading. That's done here. After that, let's go and click on this npp execute, and here execute npp script. Click this, and there you need to write some command. So first here let's remove this previous, and first here let's write npp and underscore save. So we need to use this. After that, let's use cd commander, then dollar, and here using current directory. And for go, we need to write go command, then run. And after that, let's write here dollar and give here file name. And click on this or save, and here go. You should give the meaningful name. Go underscore run. Click on this save. And when you click OK, here you can see this all those things is now currently running. So go run hello.go, and you should wait for a few seconds. Hello world, that's displaying. After that, let's use another code. This code that trying to execute inside the Notepad++. Control V, Control S to save. And now again you need to go there, npp execute. The shortcut key is now F6. So if you press F6, this will also work. So here you can see the sum of num and num2 35, that's displaying. So 10 plus 25, that is now 35. So this is the most simplest way we can run Go program on Notepad++. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.